Akili, 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 akili.
Get your paper and colors out to draw with Bush Baby. It makes Bush Baby happy when you draw. Oh, Bush Baby's father's coming to surprise Bush Baby.
Oh, wow! Thank you, Dad.
Oh, wow! What a nice paintbrush! Your father must know how much you love to draw and paint.
Oh!
Oh! You want to make something special for your father. Great idea, Bush Baby. Would you like to draw a picture and make a thank you card for your father? A thank you card may be hard to make. Before you start drawing, you need to fold the paper.
Huh?
Look at your paper, Bush Baby. Can you show us the short side of the paper?
I think so.
Is that the short side?
No! In the middle? Oh, here? Yes!
That's right. Now use your fingers to fold the paper. Take one of the short sides to the other short side.
Right?
Yes! Great! You folded the paper beautifully. Would you like to draw something on the card? Wow! That is lovely! What a bright sun and a colorful flower! Oh, that is great, Bush Baby! Would you like to draw something on the card? Wow! Is that you and your father?
Yeah!
Wow! What a lovely way to say thank you to your father. He's going to be so happy.
Get your Akili t-shirts, leggings, bags, pillowcases, and so much more. Visit akiliandme.myshopify.com today. Happy holidays!
Hello, friends! Subscribe to learn letters, numbers,